Welcome to a Prostar Paint tutorial. How to add your material library and material keynotes to your project. First, download your library and material keynote file from the Prostar website. Save the file in your own file location. Once you have both files saved, open your Revit project file, and then on the ribbon you will find the Manage tab. Navigate to the Manage tab. Under your Settings panel, you will find Materials. Click on Materials and the Material Browser dialog box will open. Under Home, you will find your previously added libraries or the Autodesk library itself. At the bottom left corner, with this drop-down menu, you can then open an existing library, which will be the file that you downloaded from Prostar's website. Navigate to the ADSK LIB file, Autodesk library file. Open it, and here you will see all Prostar paints available. You can change the view type if you would like to see the color displayed, or if you know the name, you can see it that way also. Once you find a color that you like, I prefer using the filter just to show my painting colors. You can add it by clicking on this up arrow to add the material to this project library. Once you're happy with it, click Apply and OK. Now back to the ribbon. On the right hand side, you will find Modify. Click Modify, navigate to the Geometry panel, where you will find the Paint tool, or you can use PT for a shortcut. Once again, the Material Browser opens the dialog box. You go to Filter, click on Paint and Coatings, and here you will see all your paints available from Prostar. As an example, I will paint a few walls to indicate what it will look like, how it displays. This is now a color-filled drawing. You have to lock the 3D view if you wish to tag the elements, or you can do the same in an elevation. How to add the tags. Navigate to Annotate. Navigate to the Tag panel. On the right hand side, you will see Keynotes. Under the drop-down, you can go to Keynote Settings. The Keynote Settings dialog box opens. This is where you can browse for your Prostar Paint Revit Material Keynotes _metric text file. You can open this file and you will see that it has been loaded successfully. Then click OK. Back to the Annotate Tag panel, go to Material Keynote. Here you can now, either in 3D or in 2D, add your tags. You can set your own material tag if you have a company specific tag. You can edit it. You can decide whether you want to show just the value or the text, add an arrowhead, or you can edit the family and change it. Alternatively, once you've added the text file, you can double click on this, on the words. You will find all the materials that are loaded into Revit under the 09000 division, finishes, division 9. Under paints and coatings, you will find paints. And here are listed all the possibilities that Prostar Paints has to offer. So in our case, we used Blazing Sun High Sheen Acrylic. This will then display the full name, the color name, and the color code of Prostar Paints. If you prefer to have all the information shown there, or just the text itself, or just the value itself, you can choose this. With this, a paint schedule can be created. How to create a paint schedule? Go under the View tab, under Create panel, under Schedules drop down, you can select Material Takeoff. Here you can select which category you would like. Multi-category is fine. You can rename it to Paint Schedule. Under your Material Takeoff Properties dialog box, you will have available fields. Since we are working with materials, using materials is more specific. You can add the paint, a comment, description, keynote, whatever you feel is necessary and you would like to display. Click OK, and your colors will be displayed. I have then taken that information and just cleaned it up by using the fields, filters, sorting, formatting, and appearance. In 2D, to do the tagging, it's the same principle. It will remember the color and the code for each paint. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.